In this video session, we will see one of the number function round. It is the most frequently used function in numbers. Here, what it will do? Round will round the number to a given position. Adds +1 when if the number after position is greater than or equal to 5. Before going for the exercises, let us see what is meant by position. Here I am taking one number 12.564, which is a float number. I am giving in the place of number. Round syntax is round of number comma position. So number means this is a number which I want to get. I want to round, and to which position I want to round 1. And as of now I don't know what is meant by position 1. Let us see how the system will take 12.564. After decimals, all right side all will give positive positions. Before 0, all are negative positions. Here 12.564 comma 1 means position 1 means you are rounding to right side. If it is -1, you are rounding to left side. After decimal point, if you want to round, always it is positive. This is the most of the case we will use positive only. And here after 0, first number have the position 1. After 0, second number will have a second position. After 0, third number will have a third position. Similarly, before 0, first number have a -1. Before 0, second number have the -2 position. Similarly, -3, -4, -5, like that. Depends on the number of digits. Let us see some examples here. Before checking with the position 0, we will go for 1 and 2, then we will go for 0. At last we will go for 0 for better understanding. So here round of 12.623 I am using here, comma 1. What is the expected output? What it is doing? This 12.623 is rounding to position 1. Position 1 means what? After 0, first number, right? So here after 0, first number is what? 6. So what it will do? The system will give what here? 12.6 is the number expected output. But immediately what the system will do is, after last position, whichever is given in the second parameter, it will check the number after this position. If the number after position is greater than or equal to 5, it will add to the 6 plus 1, so it will come 7. But if the last number after last position, the position is less than 5, it won't add anything. That's why the output is for this case is 12.6 only. If you take this one, 12.653 is a number, comma position 1. So output is expected is 12.6 only, because the position is given first 1 only. Position is after 0, first number is having position 1. That's why the expected output is 12.6. But after position number, the system will check the next number after the position number, and if the number is greater than or equal to 5, then it will add +1 to the position number. So here what it will do, +1, when it is added, it will go to 12.7. So that's why the output is 12.7. And it won't add to the entire number, to the last position, to the last digit to which you are rounding. To that number only we will add 1. The system will add 1. So next case, you take this one. So you are rounding to which position here? Rounding number 2, rounding to second position. So the expected output is up to 12.62. But after 2, what is the next digit we are having here? 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 5, right? That's why it will add +1 to the position, this particular 2. That's why 12.63 is the output we are getting here. Similarly here, 12.623 is the number. You're rounding to position number 2. So the output is 12.62 is expected, and system will check after last digit position what is the number you are having. If the number is greater than or equal to 5, it will add +1. But here the number after 2 is 3. 3 is less than 5. That's why we are not having any addition. It comes under no addition. Let us see some more examples for better understanding. Here 564.658 comma 2. We are rounding to up to what number? 564.65 is an you want to round, right? So 564.65 is the expected output. But system will check after position 2 what is the number we are having. It is an 8. So 8 is greater than 5. Definitely. So to the last digit, it will add +1. So output is 564.66. 564.66. And to this particular one number, let us see. You are rounding to which number? 265.623, third position, up to third position. After dot, 1, 2, 3. Third position, we are having 3 number. So this is a number expected. 623 is expected. But after last position, the number in the last position, it will check what is the number after the last position. If the number is greater than or equal to 5, if the greater than or equal to 5, then immediately to the last position it will add +1. It will come. Similarly for this position 5. So how many digits are there here after dot? After dot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all digits are covered. But after this last digit, do you have any digits? No. That's why the as it is number will come. For this case, you are rounding to up to 4 digits. So after fourth digit, fourth position, you are having 1. 1 is less than 5. That's why the output is up to here. 45,689.1234. And for this case, up to 6, it is rounding to, you are supposed to round up to what? 6th digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the expected output. After last digit we are having 1. So which is less than 5. So surely it will not add any number, it will not add +1. And for this one, see, 0.623 is the number, comma 2. You're rounding to up to what? 0.62, 0.62. But here after 2 you're having 3, which is less than 5. So definitely it won't add any number +1. And you're rounding here 7.5566. What is the last position? It is up to here the output we are expecting. We are rounding to third position. But here after last position number, you are having the 6. 6 is greater than 5. So it will add +1 to the last position. So here this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here these are the positions we have discussed. But when we have a 0 in the position, then how it will rounds? Here 7 after digit is what? 4. And -1 position is -1. After -1 the position is 0, which is dot, which is not having any sense, right? So -1 position will check for +1 position. If the +1 position is more than 1, what it will do? It will add more than 5 or equal to 5. It will add +1 to this particular -1 position. Here 7 is we are rounding to what? 7. -1 position, sorry, 0 position, right? So what it will do? It will check for +1 position. +1 position is having more than or equal to greater than or equal to 5. Then it will add +1 to the -1 position. Similarly, check it out here. Here 12.623 comma 0. 0th position means dot, right? So dot, after dot, you whatever the number is there, that number will check. System will check that number. So the expected output is here is 12. But system what it will do? After 2, what is the digit we are having? 6. 6 is having how much is less than or equal to greater than or equal to 5, so it will add plus 1 to the last digit, so 13 is the expected output. So now here, if you didn't mention any position, the system will take 0 only. If you mention 0 or if you don't mention 0, it will treat as a position as 0. Here 12.18 when you write here position is 0. 12.18 position is 0 and the expected output is 0. Expected output is 12, and after 12 we are having 1 is less than or equal to 5, that's why the output will be 12. Let us do some exam, let us practice this once. Let us practice all these examples, same examples which we have discussed. So output is 12. If you write here, what is the next first example? 12. 12 have 12.0, it has no rounding position, right? So it will check for 12.0 comma 0 only. It will work as 0 comma 12.0 comma 0. By default position is 0 only. So it will work like this. And here what it will do, 0 means 12 is the expected output. 12 is the expected output, and after minus 1 position, what is the position we are having, what is the number we are having? 0, which is less than or equal to 5. That's why it won't round to, it will be having the 12 as a output for this one. So think about it, 12.623 comma 0. So to the 0th position we can't add, right? That's why to the output expected is 12, and 6 is the 2. After 2, what is the digit we are having? 6. 6 is greater than 5, that's why it will add plus 1 to the last digit. So let us see the output. I'm changing the number only, rest is same, 13. If you take 12.623 directly, it will give same number, there is no difference. It will take position 0 only by default. So I already explained each and every case, but let us see some other examples with the different cases. Position 2, this number is, you just take this number. Here let us see, you're going to round the number to what position? Position 2. This is the position 1, this is the position number 2. This is the expected output, right? This is the expected output. But after 5, what is the digit we are having? 8. 8 is greater than or equal to 5, so definitely to the last position it will add 6 plus 1. So let us see the output. This is the output expected. Now our analysis right, and to this particular same number, if you add position number 3, then what would be the expected output? up to 3 digits we are going to get, right? But after last digit, what is the last digit? 8. After last digit, the number what we are having, 4. 4 is greater than or equal to, less than 3. So for that reason we are going to get same number. We are not going to have any addition. Okay? And for the same number, if you take fourth position, then fourth position means 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position is having how many? Output is up to here. After fourth position, what is the digit we are having? 4. 4 is less than 5. That's why it won't add plus 1 to the last position. So the expected output is this much. Right? Next, if you have here same 5, what is the expected output? What are the number of digit we are having? Up to here, the output is going to be, you are going to get out up to here. But what is the last number? What is the number after the last position is 7. 7 is greater than or equal to 5. That's why to the last digit it will add plus 1. This is the expected output. So, right? So similarly 6, 7, like that. And here you may think that we are having the same functionality in number with precision also. Number with precision and scale, but it has own drawback. Here same number you take, no problem, it will perform the same task, but the scale must be what? Here how many digits we are having? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5 means 11. You need to give here 11 here, precision as 11, then it will work. So total number of digits are 11. The scale will be 5. It will work same as your round only, exactly same as. But number with precision and scale has some drawback. So same, they will work. But if at all the number of positions are increased, say, and here also I have increased. Number of digits I have increased. See, you are getting error. What is the error means? Here you need to increase the precision also. 11 plus 2, 13. Then you will not get any error. If the incoming number is you don't know, number of digits you don't know, better you go with round. If the incoming is exactly known, then you can go for number with precision and scale. So always we never go for this one, we prefer round only, because if the incoming number is whatever it is, it will round to the given position. But here if the incoming number is increases by one digit also, not decimal side, I'm asking about real side before decimal, then it will throws error, numeric value error. Now it will work fine, right? Thanks for watching. This is the end of the video, and we'll see round with the negative positions in the next session. Thanks for watching.